Tired of endlessly clicking through menus just to shut down your computer? Well, prepare to level up your Windows game because today, I'm going to show you how to shut down your computer using only your keyboard, saving you time and boosting your productivity. Let's dive in. Our first method involves a classic shortcut, the Alt plus F4 combination. Make sure you are on your desktop, meaning all other windows are minimized. If you have any applications open, minimize them first to ensure this shortcut works properly. Now, press and hold the Alt key, then press the F4 key. Once a window will pop up with a drop-down menu. This window gives you several options, including switch user, sign out, sleep, shutdown, and restart. By default, shutdown should be selected. If it is, simply press enter. If shutdown isn't selected, use the up or down arrow keys to navigate to it and then press enter. This will immediately begin the shutdown process. Another quick method uses the Windows key plus X shortcut. Press and hold the Windows key, then press X. This opens the quick link menu, also known as the Winks menu. Once the quick link menu pops up, press the U key twice. The first press of U will highlight shutdown or sign out. The second press of U immediately selects shutdown, initiating the shutdown sequence. And there you have it, 2 super efficient keyboard shortcuts to shut down your Windows computer. No more mouse clicking madness. Experiment with these shortcuts and choose the one that best fits your workflow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more time-saving Windows tips.